marine and power sectors face two key challenges: accelerating digitalization to stay competitive while defending against increasingly sophisticated cyber threats. To counter this, compliance is now mandatory. IACS URE27 is required for new vessels and recommended for existing ones, while IEC 62443 set global standards for power plants. The Everlens DLC Plus is a quick-to-install, all-in-one solution for ship and plant operators. It combines robust cyber defense hardware, resilient software security layers, and a controlled gateway for remote connectivity. All that in a compact, lockable cabinet.
With the DLC Plus, operators gain secure remote access, faster troubleshooting and reduced downtime, all contributing to greater efficiency. It also strengthens operational resilience by enabling to roll back as recovery measure after an attack, protecting uptime, safety and reputation. Most importantly, it ensures strong cybersecurity and regulatory compliance. The DLC Plus is not just a cybersecurity shield, it's a secure bridge to Everlens' digital ecosystem. With PrimeServe Assist, operators benefit from 24/7 cloud-based monitoring, advanced analytics and personalized dashboards. The service transforms operational data into actionable insights, and anomalies trigger immediate root cause analysis with expert recommendations. For customers without permanent internet access, PrimeServe Assist Stealth offers offline data evaluation. With Everlens Asset Plus, the DLC Plus also enables over-the-air software updates, upgrades and parameter adjustments. This ensures compliant and remote patch management and continuous performance optimization without waiting for scheduled service visits.
Security is no longer optional. It must be built in by design.